Can you actually spot these big tax scams before they get you? Tax scams are a serious threat, lurking in every corner, waiting to pounce on the unsuspecting individual. Being aware of them is crucial, especially during tax season. It's essential to stay informed and protect yourself from potential financial and legal pitfalls. Tax scams are more common than you think, and their numbers are on the rise. They can come in various forms, from emails and phone calls to fake tax preparers. These scams can lead to stolen identities, financial losses, and even legal troubles. Unsuspecting individuals can fall prey to these scams, resulting in severe consequences. The final implications can be devastating, with potential losses running into thousands of dollars. Moreover, the stress and time spent dealing with the aftermath can be overwhelming. In some cases, individuals may even face legal charges, which can lead to hefty fines and even imprisonment. A lack of awareness about tax scams is a significant contributor to their success. Many people are unaware of the warning signs, making it easier for scammers to deceive them. Phishing emails are one of the most common tax scams. Scammers send emails that appear to be from the IRS or legitimate sources, asking for personal or financial information. Fake IRS phone calls are another example. Scammers claim to be from the IRS demanding payment for back taxes or other fees. Preparer fraud is a more subtle scam. Scammers pose as tax preparers, promising to get you a bigger refund or lower taxes. They may even have fake credentials, making it harder to spot the scam. One of the most dangerous tax scams currently circulating is the IRS refund scam. Scammers claim you've been overpaid and offer to give you a refund, but they need your personal info first. To avoid this scam, always verify the authenticity of the communications from the IRS. If you're unsure about a tax preparer, research their credentials and check online for reviews. A legitimate preparer will never ask for your personal info via email or text. They'll also provide a clear explanation of their services and fees. To stay safe, it's essential to be vigilant and know your rights as a taxpayer. You have the right to verify the credentials of a tax preparer and to report suspicious activity. If you encountered a tax scam, share your experience in the comments below. Your story can help others avoid falling prey to these scams. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more essential financial advice and tips on staying safe from scams. See you in the next one.